Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of display refresh rates. Refresh rate, folks, it's a term you've probably heard before, but do you really know what it means? Let's break it down. So, refresh rate is all about how many times a display updates its image per second. This is measured in Hertz, or Hz. Think of it this way. If you have a display with a 60 Hz refresh rate, that means it's refreshing the image 60 times every second. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Different refresh rates impact your viewing experience, especially in scenarios like gaming or watching action-packed movies. A 60 Hz refresh rate, which is pretty standard, is fine for everyday use. But when it comes to gaming, you might want to kick it up a notch. Gaming monitors and high-end TVs often offer 120 Hz or even 144 Hz and 240 Hz refresh rates. These babies deliver smoother motion and less blur, perfect for those intense gaming sessions. And here's the cherry on top. Adaptive sync technologies like NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync. These clever features sync up your graphics card's output with your display's refresh rate, giving you a tear-free gaming experience. Remember, while higher refresh rates do make a difference, it's really in specific scenarios. For casual use like browsing or watching videos, a good old 60 Hz display might be all you need. So, when you are shopping for a new display, think about your usage and whether your graphics card can handle those higher refresh rates. That's a wrap for today's Tech Talk. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Stay connected with us on all our social media platforms. Until next time, techies.